So in this lecture we will be discussing about a brief classification of class Mammalia. So here I will be discussing about the flow chart and different subclasses of class Mammalia and their orders, their infraclasses. Okay, the detailed characters of the different classes will be given in the next video. I will be putting somewhere in the I button. Okay, so class Mammalia is divided into three subclasses: Prototheria, Allotheria and Theria. Okay, class Mammalia is being divided into three subclasses: Prototheria, Allotheria and Theria. Prototheria has the order Monotremata. Prototheria has the order Monotremata. Okay, Allotheria is extinct. Theria is having two infraclasses. Okay, Theria is having two infraclasses. Those infraclasses includes infraclass 1, infraclass 2. In infraclass 1 we have Metatheria and infraclass 2 we have Eutheria. Okay, infraclass 1 has Metatheria, infraclass 2 has Eutheria. Metatheria has the order Marsupialia. Okay, Marsupialia. Okay, Eutheria on the other hand have 14 orders. Those 14 orders are here. Okay, so the first order of Eutheria is Insectivora. Okay, the second is Dermoptera. The third is Chiroptera. Chiroptera has been divided into two suborders: Megachiroptera and Microchiroptera. Then we have Edentata. Then we have Pholidota. Okay. Then we have primates. Primates have been divided into two suborders. Okay. The first is called Lemuroidea. Okay. The first order is called Lemuroidea. The second suborder of primates is called Anthropoidea. Okay. Then we have Rodentia or Rodentia. Then we have Legomorpha. Then we have Carnivora. Then we have Cetacea, or you can say Cetacea. Okay. Then we have Sirenia. Okay. Then we have Proboscidea. Okay. Then the second last is Perissodactyla. And the last is Artiodactyla. Artiodactyla has been divided into three suborders. Those suborders are Suiformis, then the second is Tylopoda, and the third is Ruminantia. Suiformis, Tylopoda and Ruminantia. So this is the flow chart of class Mammalia. Okay, this was the flow chart of class Mammalia. If you want the detailed characteristics of each class mentioned here, there is a video I will be putting up on screen. You can click on that, and please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will post the next video on the detailed characteristics of these classes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.